Santander Mexico, which you're in charge of, where are you seeing the best loan growth? What units are really performing well?
Look, first of all, in investment banking, we're doing quite well. We have doubled revenue in the past 18 months. So investment banking is helping us out. You have seen a lot of IPOs, new companies coming out in the market, such as Cuervo, Traction, and some other companies that are coming into the market in the past few weeks. You see the Alpha subsidiary, Sigma, the big conglomerate coming out in the next few weeks. So you see Mexican companies coming out into the market, so that is helping us out. Consumer is also doing well. Credit cards have maintained their cost of credit, and we see a healthy growth in there, also in consumer loans. So the majority of the portfolio is performing very well. Also, middle-sized companies are growing very well.
Analysts say that the banking sector in Mexico is ripe for M&A activity. Are you eyeing any local growth opportunities?
Yes, I think so. You have a country of about 120 million people, and once these people start to move into the middle class, this is basically creating a consumer area we didn't used to have. More and more Mexicans every year basically have better payrolls, better situations, and they basically being able to spend, and as you have seen it in car consumption. We have never seen car sales at the levels that Mexico has had this year ever. So that's basically helping us quite a lot.
So if we look at the Bloomberg and major currencies, we can see that versus the US dollar, the peso is the best performing year to date. It's WCRS on the Bloomberg. Are you concerned about the strength of the Mexican peso and implications when it comes to NAFTA negotiations, which clearly aren't over?
Look, the peso, even though has been the best performing currency in the market this year, in terms of real terms, is probably in 40 years the lowest it has been to the dollar in a long time. For sure, when it was at 22 versus the dollar, it was much more than that. But I believe we're more or less at the right level, which Mexico is continuing to be very competitive. Remember that the peso used to be at less than 12, 13 just 3 years ago. So it has been a huge devaluation in terms of that, and it has not affected inflation as much. So we believe that the peso is resilient, that it is going to continue this way, and people are basically being positive about what the negotiation with NAFTA is going to be. We believe also on the other way, NAFTA has been there for more than 20-something years. We believe that modernizing NAFTA is the right way to go.